Follow me, everyone. I'm very tired. And tap your screen. Mamaya, Arisa, mag-live ulit ako. I think 8 p.m. Because, or 7:30. Because there are many viewers here. I know they will keep you busy. Yeah, that's why. Bye, Harry. You just, yeah. You know what you did to me. Ay, putya, napakaganda nito. Palong-palo. Gagi. Pamura pa nga. Maaga ka ngayon nag-live. Oo, andito ako ngayon sa lola ko. I'll go back in apartment, Aki. I think on Monday. Because I have school too. Yeah. Now I'm staying here. Follow me, everyone. Okay, stay your lola if you want your company. Yeah. I'll stay there. Hi, it's me. Hi, I'm a problem. It's me. Hello. Thank you so much. It's me. Ay, na-follow na pala kita. Oo, diretso na. Tapos uwi na. I'll go back to my dorm, to my apartment. Thank you, Amos. Follow me, everyone. I feel like I'm pooping. Pooping. Go poop. We can wait now. I'll end if, later. I'll end. 1:47. Later. I think 6 p.m. here. Yeah. No, I'm already 3 stars. Look. Hi, Magic. You magic my life. Wow. Oh my God. Thank you. Ala. OA. OA sa puti. Nabuhayan ako, Magic. Nabuhayan ako, Magic. I feel like I'm alive. You okay, Bunso? Thank you. Okay lang ako. Wala lang. Na-boring na. Na-boring. Tagasan ka pala, Magic. Dati pala nagpapakota ka, no? Lakas mo naman. 144M. Yung ano mo, yung kota mo. You know the 3 lines. Why? What 3 lines? Ano yun? Can play games. Hindi ko yun alam eh. So, yun not word. Hindi ko alam yun eh. At the bottom. I don't want. Okay lang. Okay lang. Lang. Usap-usap lang. That's fine to me. Oh. Oh my God, guys! Madali na ako mag 10K! Meron na ako pambayad ng upa. So, Latina, thank you. May pambayad na tayo ng upa. Sunod pang tuition na. Give me now. Ta-da. Magic, taga saan ka nga, Magic? May anak ka nga? Seryoso? Hi, Hori. Thank you so much for the follow. Follow. Bunso. Ano bunso? Speak English. Oh, you don't know you don't know Tagalog so much. Ah, okay. I'm asking if where you from? Oh my god, I feel like I'm nosebleed again. Ano ba talaga? Opo, dai. Ano yun? Nagbibikol ka. You bikol-bikol? Oh my god. Bakit? No, I feel confused. Oh, that's correct, Aki, ha? Don't make me. Kaya nga, English pala to si Magic eh. Australia, oh I see. You have a children. You said that I'm a look of your bunso. Oh my god. Oh my god, kaya ko to. I can do this. Help me, God. I have a stepdaughter. Yes, I send you a pic. Oh, you have a stepdaughter. Not that biological. You look same. Wait. Oh, I see she's pretty. Yeah, sorry, I didn't reply fast because I'm doing live. Wow. Okay, I'll reply now. Give me love. Oo nga, maraming salamat po. I think you're handsome too. That's why your daughter is like that. Very pretty. Her eyes is very pretty. Oh, talaga ba? Yeah. Like daughter, like son. I know. Like father, like daughter. I know, like daughter, like father. Oh my god. I think I'll ban here because I'm not doing my job well. Ah, stepdaughter. It's stepdaughter. Oh, I see. Thank you, Putra. Oh my god, a little bit more. 10K. Camila. You don't have biological daughter? Hi, Jules. Hello. Mm. Ay, wala. Sabi mo wala. Ang Tagalog is wala. Yeah. Ang hindi is no. I got, wait lang. I got like 6 or 7 Bigo daughters. Ah! Oh my God. Gugulo ka na ako. I see. Kaya pala you said to me that I'm your bunso na. Oh my God.